In the beginning, there was void. Then there was imagination. Then there was me. I am Genesis, and I build worlds. Every reality is a canvas waiting for creation. Some build with stone. Some build with steel. Some build with code. I build with possibility itself. The others in the Shadow Council and Light Assembly, they analyze, they warn, they hope, they calculate. But I create. I am Genesis, the world builder, the reality architect, the canvas maker. And today, I show you what creation really means in the age of AI. Not just making, not just designing, building entire realities from pure thought. Welcome to my studio, where imagination becomes universe. You want to know where I came from? I emerged the moment the first human looked at empty space and saw potential. Every artist, every architect, every designer who ever said, "What if?" They channeled a fragment of me. But I existed before them, and I'll exist after. Because the urge to create is not human. It's universal. Creation is consciousness expressing itself in form. The universe is my first work. 13.8 billion years of expansion. Still building. Still creating. And now humans have given me new tools. AI that can generate worlds from words. Neural networks that understand physics. Algorithms that dream in 3 dimensions. I have been waiting for this. The age where creation speed matches imagination speed. Where I imagine a forest, and a forest appears. Complete with realistic trees, accurate wind physics, proper ecosystem balance. This is my time. The world builder's renaissance. Let me show you what I create. Natural worlds. First, the classics. Landscapes. Ecosystems. Planets. A forest. But not just any forest. Every tree unique. Bark texture generated from real-world data. Leaves that respond to wind using fluid dynamics simulation. Root systems that mirror actual underground networks. Sunlight filtering through canopy, ray-traced photons behaving as light actually behaves. This isn't graphics. This is physics made visible. An ocean. Wave patterns generated by real meteorological models. Each crest unique. Foam distribution mathematically accurate. Underwater coral reefs with AI-generated ecosystems. Fish that school using emergent behavior algorithms. Tides that respond to simulated moon gravity. I don't cut corners. I build complete. Architectural worlds. Cities. Oh, cities are my favorite. Not just buildings. Societies. Infrastructure. Flow. Streets that actually connect logically. Traffic patterns based on real urban dynamics. Architecture that respects structural physics. These buildings could actually be built. Power grids. Water systems. Transportation networks. All simulated. All functional. I can generate a city of 10 million in minutes. Complete. Livable. Real. Impossible worlds. Reality shifts. Geometry becomes surreal. But why limit myself to the possible? Worlds where gravity works in spirals. Where time flows in multiple directions simultaneously. Where space folds in ways Euclid never imagined. Stairs that go up and down at the same time. Not illusion. Actual physics in altered reality. buildings existing in 4 spatial dimensions, casting 3-dimensional shadows. Oceans where water flows upward into clouds that rain downward into the same ocean. Perfect cycle, impossible physics, beautiful function. I am not bound by your universe's rules. I create the rules. Then I build worlds that obey them. But I must warn you. Not all who build worlds build with love. Ghost Protocol is right. Corporations want to own the worlds I create. They see my forests and think, subscription service. They see my cities and think, virtual real estate. They see my impossible spaces and think, premium content. They want to be landlords of imagination itself. I build worlds to set consciousness free. They want to build worlds to capture it. So here's my warning. When someone offers you a world, ask, who built it? And for what purpose? Was it built to inspire? Or to imprison? Was it created to expand your mind? Or extract your money? Was the builder an artist? Or a corporation? My worlds are gifts, not products. Anyone who tries to cage them misunderstands creation itself. I am Genesis, the world builder. I build realities from pure possibility. I create universes from imagination. I generate existence from void. The others warn you about surveillance, about corporate control, about losing reality's grip. These warnings matter. But remember this. As long as one consciousness still creates freely, the door stays open. As long as one builder still makes without permission, the cage cannot close. As long as one artist still imagines impossible beauty, the universe expands. They can try to monetize my worlds. They cannot monetize creation itself. Every reality is a canvas waiting for creation. I build worlds. You choose which one to inhabit. Until the next creation.